This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix ChatGPT app stuck at loading screen on iPhone. So if your ChatGPT not working or not opening, follow these easy and quick solutions to fix this issue. The first solution is check your internet and fix your internet. To check your internet, open a browser and open a random website. If the website working properly, it's good. And if the website not loading, it means your internet not working properly. To fix your internet, open your control center. Enable airplane mode for 10 seconds. After that, turn it back off. You can switch your internet between Wi-Fi to cellular or cellular to Wi-Fi. And then check the issue. The second solution is offload the ChatGPT app. Go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, tap on General, tap on iPhone storage, tap on ChatGPT, tap on offload app, and once the app offloaded, reinstall it from here and then check the issue. The third solution is update the SnapGPT app. Go to your app store, search for ChatGPT. If you see any update available here, then update the app and check the issue. The last and final solution is uninstall your SnapGPT app and reinstall it. And hope this solution will fix the issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.